Meet Station Aichi, Japan's largest open innovation lab located in Nagoya. It's a 7th-floor space with more than 1,000 startups. Major corporate partners, VCs, and universities all come together to build the future. We are CloudStation and we are looking to expand into Japan, and a community like Station Aichi is exactly where we want to be. But there is just one catch. The FAQ is in Japanese only, tucked into a static table that is not easy for international visitors like me to navigate. So in this tutorial, we will turn that into an opportunity. Building a multilingual support assistant that lives right on the website and instantly answers questions about memberships, facilities, program, events in any language 24/7. Let's build it. For that, go to your CloudStation account, create a new project, for instance, FAQ chatbots, and here's the request. I want to add a multilingual AI support chatbot to my website using CloudStation native website chat widgets. Here's the doc link. Please follow the documentation exactly, do not invent any dashboard step. If something isn't in the doc, tell me. Here's the bot knowledge. Everything about Station Aichi. The full website is here, so I put the URL, all Japanese and English information, and every document linked on it, included PDF, for instance, the FAQ one. Crawl the entire website and extract all documents. Translate the Japanese content so it can answer in any language. The behavior of the agent. Answer only from these verified facts. Never invent. When it doesn't know, redirect the visitor to the contact form. Here's the contact form, by the way. Auto-detect the visitor's language and reply in the same language. What I want Charlie to do is I want her to do everything that she can do automatically without me intervening on it. So gather the knowledge, create the skill of the agent, create the agent, etc., etc. Translate everything. I want her to explain to me step by step what I should do and when I should do it. And then I want her to deploy this agent, so this widget, within my website, so the website that I created, so just a copy of one page of the Station Aichi website, just for the purpose of this demo. I want her to test it in English, Japanese, and French, just to make sure that at least those languages, I will support it. So I just want to show you, here is the duplicated pages that Charlie actually created for me for this demo. What has been done so far? She crawled the entire information from the website, the documentation, and she created a package, so Station Aichi knowledge. And she created a skill for the agent, she created the agent's assistant, we'll see it later. She is giving me the step-by-step to create the widgets in this project. So she creates, so first you open the project settings and the widget designer, and then in it you're gonna select the agent and then choose the name that you want to be displayed on the widget. You can add a picture for your avatar. You can create and specify a welcome message. So she proposed one. And then I can also create suggested prompts, like little pills where I can just click on it and it will automatically ask the question for me. She did some suggestion, it's up to me to add them. She proposed also colors, if I want to use those. Then for the positions, bottom right. And then I need to allow the domain of my website. So I need to add this in the setup. And then I need to save. And I need to copy the code snippet and share it with her. Okay, so let's do that. Let's open the setting, click on website chat widgets, and then select the support agent she created for me. So let's use the search, Station Aichi assistant, okay. And then for the name, I will just leave Station Aichi assistant, it's okay. For the welcoming message, I will just put what she proposed. For the quick start question, I will just skip the ones in Japanese to make it shorter. For the appearance, I will choose a minimal one, so black, gray, and white, basically. I will copy the snippet, and also for the advanced control, so I need to add the allowed websites, the URL of my copy. And then I will toggle off the required logging, so anyone on the website can access this widget FAQ. So I got the snippet, so I share with her the snippet. And then let's open my website, and you can see on the bottom right now we have the widgets, and you have the name, and we have the welcoming message. let's try the first fields to see what she's gonna respond. So because I send it in Japanese, she's answering me in Japanese, and then let's just ask translate this answer in English. So it was about the facilities, so she's giving me more info about what's the different flow, about the opening hours by area. And let's say that I want also this info in French. And now let's ask another question. Can you tell me what is the application process? Okay, so here who can apply, startups or partners, the different step. Okay, the timing also, application form for the startup, here the URL, and here for the partner. What should I be aware of if I am a startup? Great question. So here the eligibility criteria, the document to prepare for the application submission, the timing of the submission, helpful startup resources, so the O3 form and a video. He said that for the fees to budget, so membership 250,000 a year, and if it's a remote plan, it's 200,000 a year. Okay, but I saw in the form that remote plan was free. And she said, let me clarify based on the verified information I have. If you want more information about this and more process terms for your case, here's the inquiry form that is already in the website, and you have also the contact and FAQ page. So we can see that it is the main inquiry form of the website, and here is the contacts page of the main website. I want to test the agents and to ask a question that is absolutely not related to station Aichi. So for instance, what is the weather today in Nagoya? That's outside what I can help with, I'm afraid. I'm Station Aichi's website assistant, so only have verified facts about Station Aichi. Facilities, membership, access, events, not live weather data. So that's great, she didn't invent anything. So now we have our support bots deployed on our website. So anyone on the website can ask any question about Station Aichi. On CloudStation, you can go to Hired Agent. You have on the left all the different agents that are deployed in your project, and we are here in the Station Aichi Assistants, and you have here the dashboard. So you can see there is only one website with 6 conversations, and you can see all the different conversations. So I can open this one. This one was the one that was in my test. So you can see here that the visitor asked this question, she answered this, that's what we can saw on the UI of the website. Then I asked to translate in English, and we have the answers, then in French, same. Then can you tell me what the process, etc., the reply, etc., etc. So you can access all the different discussion that any visitors has with your agents, and you can also frequently ask to Charlie to analyze all the different conversations in the project between your agent and your visitor to see what are the most frequent questions, maybe update your website or your FAQ to make it more related to what the visitor are looking for, and improve your website. I'm asking to analyze all the different conversations and to give me a report. She is done. She said that there is different conversation in August, and there is 6 in English, 2 in Japanese, and 1 request in French. Let's open the reports. We have here all the different information, and we have 1 question about discounts, the rates between English, Japanese, and French. And you have here the different topics of the question. So she regrouped the different questions in topics. So membership pricing, facilities, opening, application eligibility, and grading. You can see here example about the pricing, membership and plan price. Is there any discounts this weekend? Facility opening. How can I join in French? And you have the bot's performance. And here you have the gap, so the candidate to improve actually the website, so about the discount or promotion policies, and so on and so forth. And here's some example of what has been asked to the bots. The capabilities: build a multilingual assistant from any website content. Ground answer in real company information. Transform static pages into interactive support. Embed the assistant directly on the website. Launch user agent without rebuilding the website. The edges. Help more visitors find the right answer fast. Turn every website visit into a guided conversation. Support prospects before your team steps in. Add AI support without redesigning your website.